Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video is over the 9-skill Bo Kata. We'll be going through it from beginning to end, naming each skill as we go. I can't do something correctly if I don't know what it is. We'll have a look at this from the front, then we'll have a look at it from the side. And we're starting here, left foot forward, Jodan no Kamae, high guard position. Then I'm stepping forward with my right foot, overhead strike, high side strike, reverse grip. Then I step forward with my left foot, low side strike, then we're going to step up and step back. Low side strike, straight grip. Low strike, stepping forward with my left foot, sliding thrust, then we shuffle step back, outside to inside block. Let's have a look at that one more time from the front. And we're here, overhead strike. High side strike, reverse grip, low side strike, straight grip, low strike, sliding thrust, outside to inside block. All right, now let's take a look at that from the side. Again, we're starting from Jodan no Kamae, high guard position. Overhead strike. High side strike, reverse grip, low side strike, straight grip, low strike, sliding thrust, outside to inside block. And that is the 9-skill kata from beginning to end, naming each skill as we go. We've seen this from the front and we've seen it from the side. Thank you very much for joining me.